Hi, my name is Matt Wong, and today I'll be providing an overview on reporting for the TELUS Network as a Service self-serve portal. The reporting for the self-serve portal is quite powerful and gives users the ability to make better business decisions for their network. One of the more critical use cases that the self-serve portal addresses is identifying device uptime for a location. The ability for customers to address network uptime quickly is quite important for any business. Work productivity and customer transactions can be significantly impacted by network outages and disruption. In this dashboard, you can see all of our devices in the location map. The locations are plotted on the map as a marker. The color of each dot represents the device status at the given location. Green means the device is up, red is down, orange has alerts regarding the device that needs to be addressed, and gray means the device is yet to be activated. If you have any issues with the devices or status, please don't hesitate to contact our dedicated support line for Network as a Service customers, and one of our agents will assist you. You can also zoom in and out of the map to really pinpoint the device location. This feature is more applicable if you have locations very close together, like in the same city. Now let's get into the network activity for one of our networks. We can go into one device on my sales network and see how it's performing. The reports will always adapt to the structure and show exactly what your traffic looks like at any period of time. For instance, you can see how it's performing in the last hour or 24 hours. All of these reports are constantly being updated. However, you can manually refresh the reports and get up-to-the-minute results. These reports are also all exportable. Users can easily export the data for additional data analysis. Users have the ability to perform their own data analysis, which helps identify key insights that may further optimize their network performance. The reporting also includes application performance on the network. This application reporting is important because we can identify all critical applications and data usage. This type of insight is good to identify product adoption use cases and application performance. We can also see how the applications stack up against each other. For example, I'm using a lot of SSL traffic, a lot of Facebook and YouTube traffic. We can take these applications and we can prioritize them if we decide to. For instance, if we see our Facebook traffic a bit high, we can deprioritize Facebook and have everything else come above Facebook in terms of traffic. The reason why we do this is so we can ensure traffic is prioritized for critical work applications such as WebEx, Voice Solutions, Salesforce, G Suite, Office 365, etc. We can also determine which devices are using the most traffic, and also what is the traffic between the sites. This is important because we can identify which sites are busy and which ones are not, and therefore we can gather insights on how we can allocate resources more effectively. All of these reports are actionable. If you can click on one, it will take you directly to the configuration page for that particular report. For example, if you saw that this site was performing slowly, you have the ability to change this configuration. That concludes a brief overview of reporting for the TELUS Network as a Service self-serve portal. This video only touched on a few examples of how we can leverage reporting for optimizing your network. If you'd like to find out more, please watch some of our other videos on our YouTube channel. Otherwise, visit our website, telus.com/nas.